How to navigate the Max interface. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To navigate the Max interface, firstly, you can launch a Max application in your mobile device. Or you can even visit max.com, the website if you're using your PC. Now, once you are logged into your HBO Max, you will see the three main icons, that is your home, search, and profile. In your home, you can search for a particular genre, show, or it will also consist of customized and recommended content based on your previously watched episodes, shows, and more. If you want to search for a more particular genre, tap on the search icon where you can search for TV series, movies, shows, and more. If you have added in your watch list or in your downloads, you can check out the profile icon. To add it in your watch list or download, at the very top you will see the plus sign icon and the download icon. With a simple tap, it will be added to your watch list or in your download collection. So this is some of the basic navigation that you must know for your HBO Max. If you also want certain edits or manage of your account, at the top in your profile icon, you will see a setting option. You can tap on it and do any of the customization required. And you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.